guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Coco. So for today's video, I'm gonna bring you guys with me, and it's my friend's birthday and we're doing a little surprise for her and she doesn't know. You guys will be seeing her already on my channel, so I'm gonna let you guys see what's up after. I guess I'm gonna bring you guys in the kitchen with me. I prepped some chicken actually, and I'm gonna show you guys in the video how I did the preparation. I'm gonna show you how much it is. It's been marinating for like a lot of time now. It's been what, 4 hours it's been marinating, so let's go see it. Ooh, all that chicken? Yes, all that marinated chicken. So I have chicken thigh. It doesn't look good now, but I'm telling you it's gonna look nice in the barbecue. It looks saucy. Yes, very saucy, very spicy. Good. And then that's it. Waiting for the rest of the food that's gonna come, and we should have a party. Just for a background story, today actually her boyfriend had the idea to do it at my house. At first we were just looking for somewhere to do it and we weren't sure where to do it, so we're like, you know what, let me just do it here. We had a couple of options, so she doesn't know that her family is coming, and it's actually gonna be interesting because I can't wait to see her reaction. Hopefully everybody comes on time so she can see everyone. And then yeah, for today I have this shirt from H&M that I bought, and the pants I can't remember where they're from, and that's about it. So that's my outfit of the day.
Okay guys, now it's time to marinate the chicken. So I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I use, and I will also link them down in the description box. So if you want more information on how I did this, check out the description box down below. Hope you'll enjoy!
Okay, I'm like, oh.
So,
Hi.
we got her. She was pretty surprised. Man, so
I was really surprised. I didn't even know it was gonna happen. Like, honestly, they got me real good. I am shook it. Like, for real. And you know one thing? Coco did such a great job. She was there in the kitchen, minding her business as usual. And I walk in as if, saying hi to her, as if nothing is gonna happen. And then I see that. Okay. I know she did a really good job.
You guys probably saw when she screamed throughout the video, which was actually I said the whole time when you were screaming because you're monkey about that.
Like, I was like, no, but the thing is that I'm like, oh, mom, oh, that, oh, like, what's going on? That's the thing. C'est ça qui s'est passé. J'étais comme, what?
Yeah.
What? Est-ce que c'est comme ta mère, puis ta... Non, c'est vraiment comme, like, my
family,
people.
yeah.
I'm like, what? Yeah,
Which
that's
is
why.
Good. No, we're happy
Yeah,
that we
was
did
really
it.
Nice. Thank you.
Yes, but no, it was good. So yeah, that's it for today. And then yeah, we celebrate her birthday, which was nice.
30.
Yeah,
I'm 30.
big 30. Okay, ciao.